The homepage is where the design process happens. So you can design a lot of different designs. You can choose from presentations to videos to documents, or if you want to create a custom size design for yourself, you can do that here. The projects tab is where you group all your designs into folders so that you can be more organized with your designs. And you can do that by coming over here to the right-hand side, clicking on this icon here, and you can add a new folder, a course, a design. You can also upload files and folders from your laptop or desktop, and you can also import items from the cloud. Templates are pre-made designs that have been designed by other Canva users. So if you do not want to design something from scratch, you can explore some of these options here that have been already pre-made, and you can just do a little bit of editing and fine-tuning on your end. So depending on if you are on the free plan or the pro plan, you will have these options for you. And how you can tell if it's only for a free plan or a pro plan is if you look at the bottom right, it'll have this description where it'll tell you that this is only for pro plan users. Brand is only for pro plan users, and you can design a brand kit here, which I'll cover later in future videos. Canva AI lets you input your ideas into Canva, and Canva will do its best to create that idea based on your input. And you can also connect different apps. You can connect your planners, or if you want to learn more how to design on Canva, they have these options here as well. So if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave it down in the comments section below. If you enjoy my content, consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.